This year marks the 50th anniversary of the Fiat 124 Spider. Although the car has been out of production for more than 3 decades, Fiat Roadster fans have cause for celebration because the Spider returning to the global market this summer is a 2017 model. Despite the fact that the car now carrying the torch bears little mechanical resemblance to the Roadster it derives its namesake from, it's no less compelling than the original, which has the notable distinction of being the best-selling U.S. market Fiat ever. If something looks strangely familiar about the shape and proportions of the Fiat 124 Spider, it may be because this car owes just as much to Japan as it does to Italy. The result of an engineering partnership between Fiat and Mazda, the 124 Spider is built alongside the MX-5 in Hiroshima, and much like the Subaru BRZ and Scion FRS, the Mazda and Fiat share a platform. But unlike Toyobaru twins, the differences here run deeper than just badging, content and minor tuning tweaks. But can a sports car with the underpinnings of a Miata capture the essence of that iconic Italian ragtop? With 350 miles between Los Angeles and Pebble Beach, a balmy summer day taking shape, and no shortage of narrow, twisting tarmac at my disposal once I arrived in town for Monterey Car Week, I intended to find out. While there's a number of nuanced differences between the Mazda MX-5 and the Fiat 124 Spider, the most obvious difference between the pair, from a mechanical standpoint, is that the Fiat does not use Mazda's naturally aspirated 2.0-liter Skyactiv 4-cylinder motor. Instead, Fiat has festooned their turbocharged 1.4-liter multi-air 4-pot into the chassis. The boosted mill outputs 160 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque in the Classica and Lusso trims, while the performance-focused Abarth model gets a unique exhaust system that bumps peak horsepower up to 164. Comparing the 124 Spider Abarth and its Japanese equivalent in MX-5 Club, that's a difference of 9 horsepower and 36 pound-feet of torque. It also means the 124 Spider is the most powerful 4-cylinder currently available in its class. Considering the fact that Mazda has stated their intention to leave engine output as is with this generation of the Miata, opting for the 124 may be the easiest path to a more grunt if you find the MX-5 a bit lacking. If